Hello, welcome to apenasimagens.com channel. I'm Wagner Lungov, and this video it's about local reduction. It's a darkroom technique. It's intended to lighten up certain areas of an image. Once you have the print done, fixed, washed and even dried, you can return it to the wet bench and work on its highlights with the local reduction. Normally we work the highlights in order to make an even brighter. It's a technique, it's a very old, and you'll be surprised once you get an eye to recognize it by practicing. You'll be surprised how often it was used in the past and how much it can improve a picture that would be flat otherwise. This is the one I retouched that I will show you right away. And in the description of the video you have a link to the website. And over there you have more tips, more do's and don'ts, comments about the process. And also it's nicer to compare the before and after because it has a better quality than video. So let us start. This is the picture before retouching. I wanted to lighten up these reflections on the street, on the stones. Make like a counterbalance with the lights, with the street lights. The solution is made up of 20 milliliters of fixer without hardener, that's important, the same amount of water, and then we have to dissolve the key ingredient, that's ferricyanide, potassium ferricyanide. Just the tip of a teaspoon, it's enough. I'm not measuring or weighting precisely the potassium ferricyanide because after a while you get used by the color of the solution. You can assess the strength of the solution by its color. And this shade, like you see in the video, it's quite okay. It's like average. You see it dissolves very quickly. Then you place the picture. The picture was in the water in order to make the gelatin swell and being able to absorb the reducer. Then you start with a cotton ball. You rub it gently. It's not a matter of pressure, it's not a mechanical removal of the silver, it's a chemical removal. And it's important in this part that you have to stop a bit before the point you want. Because in the fixer, that's the next step, in the fixer it will clear a bit more. So if you consider, if you think it's okay, it's better to stop. And then you have the running water. You flow over it in order to remove the reducer. That's what I'm doing right now. And then you observe, you check it out. Maybe you say, okay, I can continue, I can apply more reducer, I think I stopped too early. Or you say, no, it's okay. Then you put it in the fixer. That was the case. So the fixer now, it's a normal fixer bath. I put it 8 minutes, 7-8 minutes in the fixer. And the washing is like a normal washing again. Just like the first time you printed it. So this is the picture before for comparison. And after, having the stones with a brighter reflection. So that's it. I hope you liked it. I hope you incorporate that practice in your darkroom, and see you next time.